Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of writing a Curriculum Vitae, or CV, a crucial document for job applications, academic positions, and professional opportunities. A well-structured CV highlights your skills, education, and experience in a way that makes a strong impression on recruiters and employers. In this tutorial, I'll break down each section of a professional CV and explain exactly what to include so you can write a compelling CV that enhances your chances of success. Let's get started. Your contact information. At the very top of your CV, you need to include your contact details. This ensures that recruiters can reach out to you easily. Format it neatly with your full name, followed by your address, city and zip code, country, phone number, email address, and, if applicable, your LinkedIn profile. For example, John Doe, 123 Main Street, Los Angeles, California, 90001, United States, John Doe at email.com, 123-456-7890, linkedin.com/in/JOHNDOE. This section should be concise and professional. Make sure your email address looks formal. Avoid unprofessional addresses like coolguy123@email.com. Personal profile, your professional summary. Next is the personal profile, a short paragraph that summarizes your background, skills, and career goals. This section should be brief yet impactful, giving the reader a quick understanding of your qualifications. For example, if you're an experienced marketing professional, you might write, highly motivated and detail-oriented marketing specialist with 5 years of experience in digital strategy and brand management. Skilled in SEO, content marketing, and social media engagement, with a strong ability to develop successful campaigns. Seeking an opportunity to contribute my expertise to a dynamic marketing team. This section is important because it provides a snapshot of who you are and what you bring to the table. Keep it clear, relevant, and tailored to the job or field you're applying for. Education, highlighting your academic background. In the education section, you list your academic qualifications, starting with the most recent degree. Each entry should include the degree earned, such as Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, the university or institution name, the location, city and country, the years attended. For example, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, Los Angeles, California, 2018 to 2022. If you have completed additional certifications or training programs, list them here as well. For example, Certified Digital Marketing Professional, Google Digital Garage, 2023. This section is especially crucial for recent graduates or those applying for academic or research positions. Work experience, showcasing your professional history. The work experience section is one of the most important parts of your CV. It highlights your previous jobs and accomplishments. Start with your most recent position and work backward. Each entry should include job title, company name and location, dates of employment, bullet points describing responsibilities and achievements. Here's an example of a well-structured job entry. Marketing Coordinator, XYZ Corporation, New York, New York, March 2021, present. Developed and executed digital marketing campaigns, increasing engagement by 40%. Managed social media platforms, growing audience reach by 25%. Conducted market research to identify trends and optimize advertising strategies. Focus on achievements and measurable impact rather than just listing duties. Use action words like developed, managed, implemented, and increased to make your experience stand out. If you've had multiple roles, list them in the same format. If you're a recent graduate with limited work experience, include internships or volunteer work relevant to your field. Skills, showcasing your strengths. In this section, list key skills relevant to the job you're applying for. These can include technical skills, such as programming languages, data analysis, graphic design. Soft skills, such as leadership, problem-solving, teamwork. Industry-specific skills, such as project management, financial modeling, content writing. For example, search engine optimization, SEO. social media marketing, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, data analysis and visualization, Excel, Tableau, public speaking and presentation skills. Tailor this section to match the job description of the role you're applying for. Highlight the most relevant skills to show employers that you're a good fit. Languages, your multilingual abilities. If you speak multiple languages, list them in a separate section. Be sure to mention your level of proficiency. Fluent, able to speak, read and write effortlessly. Advanced, strong command but not native level. Intermediate, can hold conversations but not fully fluent. Basic, beginner level. For example, English, fluent, Spanish, advanced, French, intermediate. This section is especially important for international roles or companies that require bilingual candidates. Professional memberships, your industry involvement. If you're part of any professional organizations, list them here. This helps establish your credibility and commitment to your field. For example, member of the American Marketing Association, AMA. Certified member of the Project Management Institute, PMI. This section is optional, but it can give you an edge in competitive job applications. References, who can vouch for you? Finally, the references section. Instead of listing names and contact details, it's common to write, available upon request. This is because employers will typically ask for references at a later stage in the hiring process. However, make sure you have a list of references ready if requested. And that's how you write a professional curriculum vitae. By following this structure, you ensure that your CV is clear, well-organized and impactful. Remember to keep it concise and relevant. 1 to 2 pages is ideal. Use professional formatting with clear headings and bullet points. Tailor your CV for each application, emphasizing the most relevant skills and experiences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with specific parts of your CV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.